Pitman Shorthand New Era. Exercise number 13. To our relief, they came early, full stop. We are leaving today, and we should reach Winnipeg in a day or two, full stop. Who will be going to see the Army and Navy game, ? If we wish to get to the game early, we should be ready in an hour, full stop. Ask Jake for a rug, full stop. Ray and Ruth are reading the book, inverted commas begin. The arm of the law, full stop, inverted commas close. We wrote to them, asking them to rush the job, and they say they will have it ready in a month, full stop. We may be wrong, and if we are, we shall readily give him our apology, full stop. The check was put in an airmail envelope, and it should reach them today, full stop.